Xero versus ZipBooks, which has more affordable pricing. If you've been looking into accounting software, you've probably stumbled upon these two options. They both offer a range of features, but how do they compare when it comes to cost? Let's dive into that. First thing, Xero offers a 30-day free trial, but after that, it's not exactly budget-friendly. Its pricing starts at $13 per month, with more comprehensive plans going up to $70 per month. While it has a lot of advanced features, the pricing structure can quickly become steep, especially for smaller businesses or individuals just starting out. Next thing, ZipBooks, on the other hand, offers a more flexible pricing structure. It has a free plan, which is great for basic accounting needs. This plan includes invoicing, basic reporting, and some limited integrations. Its paid plans start at $15 per month, which is a pretty competitive price if you're looking for something with more features but don't want to break the bank. The third thing to consider is that Xero's pricing is based on the features you need. For example, its most basic plan limits you to just 5 invoices and quotes per month, while the higher tier plans give you unlimited invoices, but include additional features you might not necessarily need. This can be frustrating if you only need specific functionality and don't want to pay for the extras. Now, ZipBooks is a bit more straightforward with its pricing. It's simple, free for basic services, and the Pro plan at $15 a month includes everything you need to run your business smoothly, including automatic bank syncing, recurring billing, and custom invoices. But even its paid plans might feel a little limiting compared to Xero's more extensive features, particularly if you need multi-currency support or complex reporting. Next thing, support is another area where Xero shines, but it comes at a cost. The support in Xero is robust, with a comprehensive knowledge base, 24/7 chat support, and even phone support in some regions. But that phone support isn't free and requires an upgraded plan. ZipBooks, meanwhile, has a helpful support system with email and chat options, but you won't find that same level of immediate support unless you're paying for the Pro plan. The fourth thing, integrations. Xero is known for its broad range of integrations with third-party apps and tools. If your business uses specialized software, Xero might be a better fit. However, ZipBooks is more limited in this area, which could be a deal breaker if you need to integrate your accounting software with other tools like payment processors or advanced CRMs. In terms of overall value, Xero offers an extensive set of features for those who need it, but it can get expensive. ZipBooks, on the other hand, is a more budget-friendly option, especially for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who need a solid, no-frills accounting solution. But the real kicker is that ZipBooks might not have the advanced functionality that you'll find in Xero, so if you're looking for something more powerful in the long run, you may feel limited. Now, while both Xero and ZipBooks offer solid options at different price points, there's another alternative out there that might just be a better fit for your needs. After trying all of these myself, I found that Competitor offers the best of both worlds, affordable pricing and all the essential features you need to manage your finances efficiently without unnecessary complexity. So, if you're looking for an affordable solution with more flexibility and better value overall, I recommend giving Competitor a try. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description, and through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.